Alright, so I'm gonna start off with daily time frame, and once again I'm just gonna highlight the daily OB that I've been watching since episode 6. Feel free to check out that video. Alright, so since then there was this new OB that got produced and the daily time frame right there. Price hasn't touched this OB as yet. Let me label it. Price hasn't touched this area as yet. 1996. It's close, so more likely I'm still gonna be looking for selling opportunities. Probably to end the week with. We have news coming up very soon. Alright, so that alone will let me know, what's really going on. Alright, let me drop it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if there's anything I could see to use. First thing I've noticed is this entire area here that gave that massive push. By the way, which day was this? This was Wednesday, from December 13th. I don't know. Let me see what time. I think this was 2 p.m. So this was FOMC that ran price up. So this would be my little 1 hour area that's inside of the daily. It doesn't have to get there to give us a nice little push up, as in it could just literally hit the daily here like that, penetrate, give us a sign that price is rejecting, you know what I'm saying, and then continues up to a certain point. Just need to figure that point out. I won't be greedy, probably 100 pips from here, you know what I'm saying, and then see where it wants to take more from, because immediately as I look here, next thing I could see is another hourly OB1 here as well, but I wouldn't use this one because liquidity resting below this. That's something I would look into, but still I need to see a rejection from the area in order for me to execute. Alright, so all week, or for the past 2 weeks at least, I've been selling, especially because of this area here, this entire area. I don't remember which episode I point this out in, if it was 6 or 7, but looking at this entire area here, this is where the whole shift occurred. And then what do you call this again? NFP, sorry. The NFP occurred here. I remember the OB was here. Sorry, it's that little one right there. As you can see, price just tapped into it, rejected it. There was another 15-minute area inside here where I took from. You know, I said before, check out episode like I think 7, the one before this. That's where I break down this entire thing. If not, it's in 6 also. Alright, one of those. Don't remember. But yeah, but what I'm looking at definitely is for price to continue into this area. So it might just take from this, because the news is so close, it might just take from this OB here. So that's something to look out for and wait for. Let's see. Hopefully this video here is before the news, so 2024, somewhere along 2024. It's at 2013 right now, but let me check the 15-minute time frame real quick. Whoop. First thing I notice is actually this. It's nice and it's so close. The price could literally tap, wick these, all these, and then close below, and then I might be able to look for a selling opportunity. It's close to here, so that probably not be the most ideal thing. But I have to be realistic, so price could easily just take from this low here on the 15, this low here, clearing all these liquidity areas right here, right? Tap into this area. Oops. Tap into this area, you know what I'm saying, rejecting entry, come back a bit, and then continue. That is also a possibility, especially the fact that today is already green. All right, it's already up, like it already went up like what, 100 pips today alone. This, let's see, this entire, yeah, today alone it's been going up. So we could get a sell-off from the news. Our price could sell off and then continue with buys for the rest of the day. You know what I'm saying? So that's one area I'm looking at, and then this is another one. So let me just label these areas. All right, this one already got tapped into, but still that doesn't mean price won't double tap. you know. So let me just label these buying areas. So it's all about waiting to see what price does, cause that's what I'm going to be doing. I have to wait to see how price reacts. And you see how close everything is, but I could easily get into a nice trade in this area here. This is just based off, you know, like what I can do now today. I remember then we have this daily area here and then this 1 hour area here. So ultimately I am still looking for sells, but that doesn't mean that today is going to sell. Today can easily push up for buys even all the way to this 1 hour area here easily. You know what I'm saying? This is gold, by the way. You already know how that is. Or you can easily go to this. Let me see if this is mitigated. Nope. You can easily go to this 15 minutes. So because we're doing it based off just today, I'm mostly gonna be focusing on the 15-minute areas. This one is a 1 hour. I'm gonna get rid of that for now. There's oh shit, there is a reason. There's a nice one here. By the way, if you want to know like what I consider as OBs, like valid OBs, go ahead and check out that video. That's also on the YouTube channel where I talk about valid order blocks, right? So these are the areas I'm looking out for. I mean, today we have a lot of areas. Let me see if everything. Sorry, let me turn this back on. Let me turn on session breaks that we are done. Okay, so everything, so these, all of these are from yesterday. All these selling areas are from yesterday. All the buying, well, one of the buying is from today. It already got tapped into. That's something to look out for. So our price might just take out the low of the day with the news. Tap, where is it? Tap into, come on, tap into, yeah, whatever, tap into this area and then goes up. Tap into this area and then sell off. That could be a potential, or this or this. So it's all about not being greedy, and I'll be taking my partials along the way, because you know this is gold. All right, I always leave runners, that way I could collect more if anything. So that's something I'm gonna be looking into. But until it gets to this daily area here, I won't be looking for any like serious buys, if that makes sense. Like any 3-day, 4-day a week, like holding the trade. Yeah, but for now I'm just gonna be trading in between these until proven otherwise. But yeah, that's my overall analysis on this. I'm really looking forward for price to continue lower, tapping into 1996, and my overall bias is sells. That doesn't mean I can't buy up into a selling area, but if it taps into the selling area with the news or something before, then I'll just continue to push into this daily area or even the 1 hour. But my main focus is gonna be the daily area here at 1997 basically, you know, just round this up. All right, so with that being said, if you want any updates, make sure to join the free signals group. Link is in the bio, and I hope to see you guys there. By the way, subscribe, leave a like if you're enjoying these videos, these episodes so far. All right, peace.